Okay, hi guys. What are we going to do today? We are going to install this application. I'll simply go to my WhatsApp down here, this one. Okay, let me put the details. Then I go to my my WhatsApp group where there is that application. It is this application you see here. So I'll just tap on it. Then I go to install. If it brings a certain disclaimer or a pop-up, just go to open, allow open. This application is not all that harmful to your phone. It's just the security of your phone that is trying to lament. Okay, now I'll go to, after installation, I'll go to open. I'll just open it from here. So that's how it displays when you have just opened it. It is showing us untitled text. Yes. So when you look down here, these are the symbols that we are going to use. Let me try to move them around. So majorly, I think you are familiar with these less all equal signs. These two, the less all equal signs down here. So those are the most essential that we are going to need. Now, before we start anything, remember when you're building a website or coding, whatever you need is just to create a folder first. So we are going to create a folder in our storage. On our storage, remember we're using a phone. So I'll just go to these upper dots, the three dots here. I just click on them just like that. This layout is going to pop up. It is like save as. So me, I'll go to save as. Remember, I do not have a folder. We are going to create a folder on our internal storage. So I'm going to go here. I click there. So it is telling us add a storage. I'm going to click there. So when this pops up, there is what we call select folder, then folder name. I'll just click here like that. Now we have the pop-up layout that is all about your phone name and these folders here. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to click here on create a folder, a new folder. So then I am going to call this dash code like that. Then I press OK. That is my folder now. So I'll just go to use this folder. Then when it asks me, I'll go to allow. Now this is my created folder and this is its path, but I'm going to go to OK like that. So then here when this comes, just go to that, click there, and you can save as like that. So when you click there on that tick, it's going to bring the untitled.txt. Remove everything. Remember our first file in HTML, or our website, it's supposed to be index.html like that. Then you press OK. So you are seeing that it has changed, and that's what it's going to be like. So how are we going to deal with this? Let me try out to create an HTML structure and see whether this stuff is going to work. So I'm going to go down here and move these things. Then I go where these less than all equal are. So remember we have to start with this one. So sorry, I'm going to click it. Then I tap there. I just type HTML. So you don't finish, just come here, tap there, it will finish itself. Then you come there. When that is it, in the middle you just press on this enter button down here. So continue like that. We go to head, tap on head, close like that, press enter, then tap on that, the less than sign, then you type title. When title is, you are seeing title somewhere here, just click on it, title, then you close title, call it, I'm going to call it dash website, like that, dash websites, as simple as that. So when you're done, just come here, you press enter, like that. When that comes in, you're going to come click there, start the body. You click on body. You don't need to complete everything. Close body like that, then press enter, like that. So when we see this and I try to run it, that's how it's going to be like. Remember what we put here. This is as the title here, as this title, we put dash website. When you run it here, it is what is here now. So thank you. Let's go back and put something else. Now under body, remember here in HTML, we have from HTML to HTML. Whatever we open up, it is closed here. And whatever we opened as head, it is closed as head. In between head, there is what we call the title. So after closing head, we open body, and body is closed down here before closing HTML. So inside body, whatever happens here, whatever you put here is what is put or shown here in the white interface. So let's go back a little. I'm going to try out to put something like a heading. Now I'll click there, then I'll click there, then I put a less than sign. I want to put head 1, then I close it there, then I'll say this is a heading, just like that, a heading 1, as simple as that. So remember, whatever you do, you have to come here on those dot signs, then you save. I think it has been saved. So when I run this, we shall see our output, as simple as that. And this thing is just amazing. Let's go back a little. Now I'm going to put like maybe a heading 2. Let me try to copy this. You can actually also copy, guys, in HTML or in computer we copy. So I'm going to copy like that. Then when I come here down, I can paste. Then I can call this heading 2 like that. Then I come here, put the cursor there, heading 2. I want to show you the difference between heading 1, heading 2, like that. When I run, that's how, when we compare heading 1 and heading 2, that's how they look like. Okay, then when I go down here a little bit, I will try to also paste. Remember, I had copied. Paste is this one. So I'll paste. Oh, sorry. It has to be on the same line like that. So this is heading 3, like that. Even here, it is 3. When you open heading 1, make sure that it is closed here. Just like that. Everything, heading 2, closed heading 2 here. Heading 3, opened it, then closed here. So when I run, that's how we compare. Heading 1 is the biggest, heading 3 is smaller than heading 2, and heading 2 is smaller than heading 1. So, sorry, I didn't put everything like that. This is 2, this is 3, like that. Sorry for the background. Okay, now, that's what we have. Up to heading 6, you can try out and see the output. Actually, I need you guys to come from heading 1 to heading 6. Just like that, just change them. You can type them or copy and paste. But if you do have problems with copy and paste, just type. They are just the shortest codings we have. Okay, I'm going to rub this. I'm going to remove that. I remain with the heading 1, like that. Then I press enter. Now I'm going to put a paragraph, just like that. I'll just open that. Then I put a P. I close. So that is the code for the paragraph. What am I going to do? I'm going to just come here and I say, this is a paragraph like that. So simple. You can type anything, even though it's long. You can put things as long as they are many, however much they are many. You can type everything you feel like you want, even though they are something like 100 lines, as long as it is open here and it is closed at the last. Things can be running. When it's try to run, are you seeing that? Just amazing. So guys, try out. This is a simple thing to do. Let me try to save. Whatever you do, remember to save. So this is my code, sample code. Then when I run it here, that is the output. So I need you guys to show me this. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.